Woke up early today and heading down to Fort in Colombo.
Colombo Fort.
Colombo Fort, which is not a real fort, it's just a financial district.
Yep.
Very popular in an old area. We're gonna go down there. We're going to the beach, the Galle Face Beach.
Yep.
And then I don't know. Let's see where we go.
I forgot the name of beach. We'll mention later.
Information to come later. We arrived in the financial sector. We're just looking at this lighthouse clock tower that's here. It used to be in the middle of the city, but it's actually not really necessary anymore because most of the buildings are higher than it now. We got the President's Palace behind us right now, where the President of Sri Lanka lives. Lives right in the heart of the city, so we can go and see his house and maybe see him, but we have no idea what he looks like, so whatever. Looking around, find more interesting stuff. We did not plan our day today. The electricity had to be turned off in the city where we live, so we didn't have any internet.
But this is great. I feel like we're going. This is great.
Good volume.
It's a good city experience that we can see all the buildings of Colombo, which is very important, like government building and stuff, which I don't care in Korea, but I like here.
Yeah. It's always interesting when you don't live in the country and you don't have to deal with it. Because it's in the middle of city, lots of buildings are building now. Lots of buildings are building.
Yeah, buildings now, and a lot of hotels and government, some kind of important buildings are all around here, and lots of couples are sitting here to see the beach, but I'm not sure. But it's pretty.
Kite flying is very famous to do here. There's only one kite up today, so it's okay.
Look at this beach.
Beach is nice. We will not be flying kites, but we'll keep exploring the beach.